Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. I got a hankering for chicken and some pasta, and what's a guy gonna do? Then I came up with maybe some creamy penne pasta chicken. Put it all together and it came out absolutely incredible. So simple to make, so easy, and so delicious. You're gonna want to make this, so let me show you how to do it. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do here, guys, is add some salt to a pot of boiling water to make it like the ocean. Then in with 2 cups of penne pasta. And we're just going to boil this up for, I'd say about 10 minutes, just the point where it's al dente, just a little bit on the crunchy side. Well, that's boiling away. What I've got here, 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I've just kind of cubed up into bite-sized chunks. So I'm going to go ahead and add these to a bowl. Good old chicken. And I'm going to season this up with 2 teaspoons of paprika, teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of garlic, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, and 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. So we'll just go ahead and dump this in. Follow this up with about a tablespoon of good old olive oil. Then and only then, we shall just mix everything together. Give the chicken a good old massage. Now, this is my choice of seasoning, guys, but you can use whatever you like. But I think this is a pretty good, perfect blend. We just call it Dave's blend of chicken, or chicken seasoning. And just look at that nice coloring from the paprika and stuff and the chili powder. Now our pasta's all drained and rinsed. We're just going to set this aside. Alrighty then, next up I'm going to add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. In with our chicken, and we're just going to stir and fry this. This is the point where it's cooked. And man, guys, this is smelling ever so good. All that seasoning in there. I think this is going to be absolutely fantastic. Let's wait and see. Okay, we're just about cooked through here, so I'm going to shove all this to one side, and we're going to go in with a small chopped onion. Make sure I get it all there. And me, 3 cloves of chopped garlic. We're just going to stir and saute this for a few minutes until that wonderful, wonderful aroma of onion and garlic fill the air. It's pretty much sauteed up here, so I'm just going to mix everything together. Oh, I keep talking about this, guys, but this aroma is just incredible. Makes you want to aroma around. All right, I'll stop. But it does smell good. Then we're going in with 2 tablespoons of good old tomato paste. This is another thing I love is tomato paste. It just adds that rich texture and thickens everything up. Yeah, we'll give this a stir around until that tomato paste covers that chicken and does its job. Alrighty then, we're going to pour in 1.5 cups of chicken stock and about 120 grams or half a brick of the good old Philadelphia cream cheese. I had to stir this around, let it melt down. Now that cream cheese has melted down a little bit and it's simmered, guys. I'm going to go in with the noodles and we'll just give everything a stir around until those noodles are coated. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle about a tablespoon or 2 of good old Parmesan in there. This is going to be good, guys. Give it another stir around and now just look at this. And we are pretty much done it here, guys, and ready to plate. And oh my goodness, guys, just look at this. See, it's thick, rich, creamy, delicious. What more can I say? Just absolutely incredible. And we shall just go ahead and plate this up, of course. And this smells and looks so, so good. And of course, we'll garnish this up with some parsley fresh from the garden. And there you have it, guys, our amazingly incredible creamy penne pasta chicken. You are gonna love this. All right, let's dig in here. Got to get some chicken here. And, of course, some pasta and stuff and some of that creamy sauce. It'll be on the side here. Just look at this, guys. Alrighty then, down the old hatch. This is so good. Chicken is done perfectly. This creaminess, it's rich. That pasta is done perfectly too. It is just such a good dish for the limited time you're going to put into it, and so yummy. And if you're going to make this, leave us a comment because I love to read them. Most of all, like because it does help the channel out, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. See you next time. And of course, I'm going to have more of this yummy chicken and pasta. Okay.